This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern time, and it is Fed Day, and we're getting the news right as we speak. So what do we have, folks? We have a rate hike, but they are curtailing their forecast. I'm going to jump over 1 second. We just had the markets basically up about 300. You got them up about 211 right now, as the worry was that, of course, they would not raise interest rates. Jumping over to the news. Here we go. So the Fed raises rates, signals 2 2019 hikes. We'll see if that comes to fruition. Let's see. We're getting headlines as we go. Fed judges that some further gradual increases may be warranted. Risks are roughly balanced, monitoring global events, but only a 20 BIP rise. And let's see. We have some dovish 2019 dots jumping back to the charts. How about that, folks? There's your Dow 30 bar. We just dropped 200 plus points in the span of about 15 seconds. Not bad. You get the Dow trading 23,811. There's your drop in the NASDAQ 100. Of course, the fear was that, that we wouldn't raise, and then the market would have traded higher. Raising rates, market going down, you're seeing the reaction. There's your S&P 500. We were just up there at 2586. You just saw the S&Ps. You're talking about a 1% bar in the span of 3 seconds. Crude oil, not too much of a reaction, trading at 47.47. Gold getting a reaction, trading lower at 12.51.18. Gold had been as high as 12.62 at one point, and you're seeing some dollar strength, euro weakness. We just had the euro drop from 114.34. We're about to get below that 114 mark. Let's jump back to see some of the more headlines coming across. They're staying where they are, and let's get a feel for the market as we jump around to the main screen here and get a feel. So we got the Dow now up about 120. We got the NASDAQ up about 15. S&P's up 20. Dollar index was down about 500 ticks at one point. You have it only down about 220 ticks at one point. Gold now off $4. Had been as high as 12.62. As we had said, lots of moving action on here. I'm sure this will play out over the final 2 hours, and they're reading through that. But bottom line is, we got a hike. We got a hike as we expected, and they seem to say 2 2019 hikes. If that happens, folks, watch out. So stocks jump, then pair the move. It's a modest reaction. Bond yields are near the day's highs, but this is a small range. We'll see what happens. Quite an exciting market. We got a rate hike. That's what they thought. You got the Dow up 100 points. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White right now. Tom O'Brien at 3. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.